Okay folks, welcome back to O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Out doing some fireworks hunting. We're here in Oklahoma City here now. Can't remember what street, but we're Fireworks OKC. Let's go inside here and check it out and see what it's like. Okay. Got rows of it. Yeah. Always looking for the big one. I see some bigger ones back here on the back. We'll check it out here in just a minute. I got my phone instead of my GoPro. Okay. Let's go check out this. Oh, here's some right here. Right here they are, the Max. There's the big ones there. Yeah. All kinds. They even got shirts.
Your cord may work.
Yeah, there's even rows and rows in here. Sparklers. Yeah. Whoa, huh? Yes. But yeah, it's a pretty decent place, folks. If you're in the city, come up here and check it out. Them giant bullets. Yeah, row after row of fireworks. Stay tuned, O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Hunting fireworks. Okay, welcome back. We're here now at Jake's Fireworks. Here in, it's up by Norman, I guess. But let's go in here and check it out and see what they got. Okay. This place here is pretty loaded too. Yeah. Check this all out over here. Yeah. But stay tuned. Let's see what all they got here. He finally conked out. Okay. We got our baskets full here. Yeah, we got all kinds of crap. For sure. But stay tuned. We're heading to go do some checkout here. Whoa, yes. Okay, she's getting it all totaled up there. Okay. I got all the fireworks out here. Got some kind of alien deal. There's some frogs, some tanks, some sunflowers, Roman candles, sparklers, crackle balls. Oh, gotta have smoke bombs. And I got some artillery. Lots of parachutes. Kids like chasing parachutes. So yeah, I got a bunch of those. Some 7-inch. I don't know what that burger does. Killer bee. Some taste of heat. But yeah, I'll get some video tomorrow night. Yeah, here's some smaller ones. But I tried to get most of them that's got the high shot count. See 21, some 25s. But yeah, you wouldn't believe what all that costs. Stuff is just, yeah, way out. But I hope everybody has a safe and happy 4th of July with their families. Everybody have a great day. I'm going to have some more video coming out after tomorrow night's pool party.